On September 16, 2023, something unexpected happened. The Earth began emitting a deep and strange sound. A low vibration resonated through the Earth's crust, triggering seismic alarms worldwide. For 9 consecutive days, the planet pulsed with an eerie rhythm, leaving scientists without answers. Meanwhile, a major disaster was unfolding in Greenland. Although it resembled an earthquake, scientists quickly realized it wasn't. The pattern of the sound was entirely different. Normally, we live on massive tectonic plates that slowly glide over magma, much like icebergs floating on water. When these plates collide, rub against each other, or break apart, they release immense energy, generating seismic waves we feel as earthquakes. These vibrations, detected by seismometers, are typically a chaotic mix of high and low frequencies, like someone pressing multiple piano keys at once. However, the Greenland event was unique. It emitted a consistent sound at a single frequency, akin to an ancient machine operating beneath the Earth's surface. It was like a single piano key being struck repeatedly, creating a monotonous and unsettling tone. After days of investigation, scientists discovered that the sound didn't come from tectonic plates, but from a phenomenon never before recorded. The vibrations occurring every 90 seconds echoed across the planet. An international effort brought together 68 experts from 15 countries who analyzed seismic data, satellite images, and performed complex calculations. The cause of the event was finally identified: water. It all began in a remote region of East Greenland, known for its fjords, narrow sea inlets flanked by steep cliffs. In this isolated and frozen area, a colossal landslide occurred in the Dixon Fjord. A section of a 200-meter mountain collapsed, releasing 25 million cubic meters of ice and rock into the fjord. The impact was catastrophic, generating a 110-meter high tsunami, taller than the Statue of Liberty. This mega-tsunami remained trapped within the fjord's cliffs, causing the water to oscillate back and forth. This continuous movement over 9 days generated shockwaves so intense they were detected by seismometers around the world. The cause of this catastrophe was a combination of factors. Global warming weakened the glacier supporting the mountain, making the collapse inevitable. Fortunately, no lives were lost, but it was a close call. A tourist ship that had been in the area just 2 days earlier narrowly escaped. Despite this, the tsunami destroyed an ancient Inuit site preserved for over 200 years and damaged a nearby research station. The vibrations were so powerful that they traveled from Greenland to the South Pole in less than an hour. This rare event left scientists astonished and demonstrated the immense power of natural forces. Meanwhile, in the United States, the coastal community of Rancho Palos Verdes in California is facing a different type of challenge. The ground is shifting rapidly, destroying homes and infrastructure. Built on clay soil and located on a geological fault line, the area has always been vulnerable to landslides. However, the movement, once slow and gradual, has now accelerated alarmingly, increasing from 30 centimeters per year to the same distance in just 1 week. Recent heavy rains and climate changes have worsened the situation, making the soil heavier and more unstable. Now, streets, gardens, and homes are cracking and shifting. Some houses have been so badly damaged that gas and electricity services had to be cut off for safety reasons. Despite this, many residents are determined to save their properties. They have installed generators and drainage systems to try to stabilize the soil. Some believe the only solution may be investing in self-sufficient systems, such as energy storage and more efficient drainage. Landslides like these are more common in the United States than many realize. A new detailed map, created using data from 1 million historical events, reveals that about 40% of US territory is at risk of experiencing similar activities. These natural disasters highlight our vulnerability to the forces of nature and emphasize the importance of being prepared and alert. Did you enjoy this? If so, share it with your friends and check out more content by clicking the suggested videos. Stay on the fact frenzy.